Want to convert MBOX to NSF file format? Download and use BitRecover MBOX Converter Wizard. It is professional software for converting multiple MBOX files to NSF format without any trouble. To know more about the software, keep watching the video. First of all, read all the information written in the software interface. Once understood, click on the Next button. Now you have two options to upload MBOX data. The Select File option helps you upload MBOX files from the saved location. Select Folder option to browse a mailbox of MBOX from the saved location and click on the Open button. Now, click on the Next button. Mark the checkbox of the required file in the software interface for migration MBOX to NSF. Now, click on the Next button. Go to the Select Saving Options tool. Provide many saving options. Select the Lotus Notes option to convert MBOX to NSF directly. Then, go to the folder icon to change and specify a location of the resultant files. Finally, click on the Convert button and start the MBOX to NSF conversion process. Users can view the real-time conversion report running in the software panel. Once completed, a complete conversion message pops up. Click on the OK tab. The free trial edition converting first 25 MBOX files into NSF file format. Thanks for watching.